Hey guys, welcome to the SBA Stuff channel. In this video, we will create a 3D model from a single image. We use two different contributions and integrate them to create 3D models. One is monodepth. What it does is it creates depth maps from RGB images, and then we upload this RGB image along with the depth map to another contribution depth layer to create a 3D model. After that, we will export that 3D model and import into 3D Exchange to be animated as a scene in an icon. So this is the first code by Mr. Harry Code, something like that. So, and the other one is by someone named Spike. So first of all, let's find an image that we will for which we will create a depth map or create a 3D model for. I think we will take this image and one more image we will take is like this. This approach is very suitable for the scenes like outdoor scenes, and I recommend you to use smaller resolution because the model that was trained for monodepth is for smaller resolutions, and the pre-trained models are also available like 640 to 192 and 1024 into 320, but I recommend you to use smaller resolution images so that it will be easier for us to create 3D models. So I click on download and I download this one too. These are the non-copyrighted images by this service. So I downloaded these two. After that, I go to my source code that I have integrated these two. This is the monodepth code. And the models are downloaded and placed in a folder named models, and all these are models. So these models are also available on the GitHub repository. Download these and extract with their appropriate name. After that, run the code. I made a web interface in Flask, so let's test it. Run the Python that you have installed, and after that run the server. So here we go. Okay. So here is the server file. So I type here cmd command and then I will place the Python which is in above directory. Python.exe. I will convert it into double quotes. I copy it. I paste in here, and then I type server.py and I hit enter. I will wait a little bit and the server will run, and we will use this in our browser. You can use the alternative online version which is Facebook depth map. You can use the online this website to create depth maps from images. You upload the image and it will provide you the depth map of it. We will use the downloaded images, one of the downloaded images, and that is snow. This website is all based on this monodepth code. This is uploaded. So here it gives the depth map. So we will do the same in our code. It takes some time to run. You can save this depth map separately from it. With the same name. Depth underscore snow, and okay, here is the URL 127.0.0 5000. I may change this image later. So you have to choose the image file. We have done one, the snow one from the original, and we will now try with the sunrise here. I add this image. I will choose some model. I will use anyone. You can use anyone. I use stereo 1024x320. You can try all these models and see which provides you the best depth map. So it will perform the stuff over it behind. What actually it does is it uploads the images, upload the image, generate its depth map, and place it in a static folder. See the import image that we have uploaded and the depth map that was created by the site, and you can download the depth map from here. Save image as. So you can change the name so you remember what was this about. So I can say green underscore depth. After that, now we have resume attached. After that, we have now two images. One is the original image, the other is the depth image. So we will upload it on the depth player to create a 3D model. So here is the other one, the 3D model one. You have to upload these two images. First I will add the reference image. I will use the one that I have done here. This is the sunrise, open it. Then use the depth image that I have created by this site. This one is green depth, and when I click on create model, so it will present us the 3D model of that image here in this image. This was done through the this code. The 3D model was done through this depth code. So you can see the scene in a 3D model. You can configure its height width from here to change as you like, but keep in mind that this may crash your browser. It is a little weird stuff. You can see its point cloud, you can see its wireframe, you can see it in solid form, and you can download it. So I am downloading this. It will take some time. You can do the same thing online by just typing the depth player on Google and use the first link. It is the same but a little bit of different interface. So the image that I generated earlier with the Facebook one, with this one, by the Facebook 3D photo, I will upload the same image here to see the 3D model of that image here. So that was about some snow one, snow, this one. Mostly the depth images are in grayscale, but it doesn't matter. You can use this image as it is, or you can use OpenCV to convert the image depth map image into grayscale if required, but there is no need. Snow, and this is the depth snow that I generated online. I click on open and I click on create model. Sorry. So here is the 3D model of that snow created online. So I will download this too, and now we will see how to import it in a 3D exchange to be later used in Iclone. It takes some time and will be downloaded. Keep in mind that it has some settings that you can change to further improve this generative 3D model, but it may crash your browser, so on browser tab, so be careful about that. Okay, I don't know if it downloads or not. Till then I open 3D exchange. Okay, it's downloaded. So now we import these OBJ files in 3D exchange, and then import texture over it, and then we export it for Iclone. Although these are that 3D scenes and they are not good, but can be used as a realistic scenes to make smaller scenes and render small realistic animations in Iclone. So here is our 3D exchange. It is a little older version of Iclone Real Engine 3D exchange file. So let it open completely. Then we import this model here and perform a little bit changes over the model so that it looks nice in Iclone and can be animated easily. So now I have downloaded these two models. So first I upload this model into, or import this model into 3D exchange by dragging and dropping. I close this one, and you can do unlimited as you like over it. I will upload the source code over the GitHub if you want this on interface. Monodepth generator and 3D model creator, and this is all of code of this, and the other one is about that Facebook one. Okay, let's see if the model is imported. It is a little bit of heavy. It may be a little bit. It is equivalent to 42 or 3 MB of size, both models. So if you make settings in depth there, the model may be take bigger sizes in both. Once it is imported, we will discuss later about it. So we have here the 3D model. It looks very bad because it is created because of the point cloud. So what we do is we add appropriate texture over it, and then we make a little bit of configuration so it looks nice when rendered in the edge. So first of all, we drag and drop its appropriate texture. I think the first one was this tree. So I drag it and drop it over it. It do not look nice, but doesn't matter. What we do is we click on image. We change its diffuse color to pure white. We change its ambient color to pure white. and make sure the strength is 400, and we remove the glossiness and we turn on the strength. So now it is 3D model. So it is a little bit nice if we render small scenes, so I will export it using this. After that I did this again for the another image that is created through online. So you may use different models, so the outputs may be different, maybe good, maybe bad, and please create models and text maps on small resolution images. Once you create the model from small resolution images, you can upload a high resolution texture over it, so it will look nice and better when you perform scrolling over it or zooming over the 3D models. Because if you zoom on a smaller resolution textures, you may find distortions of pixels. So let me show you what I mean. Suppose I use this image for model creation. I use smaller resolution of 640 into 420. Now I use high resolution image for the texture because it will let me go into about high resolution. So I download the high resolution image as a to be used as a texture for the 3D model, because if I use small resolution images, it may face pixel distortion. It takes some time, so I am using the old version of 3D Iclone. You can use the new version that is 3D Iclone channel, or you import directly over the Iclone 8 because I think it doesn't require 3D Iclone. I get used to it actually. So now we have another mesh of another generated mesh from the image. Now we upload the heavier texture that we downloaded. It is little bit. I think I have here it is. So add that and drop over it like this. You can apply smoothing, but my PC is not good, as also the software that I have installed is also a very old one. So you can use latest versions of 3D Iclone 7 or Iclone 8 to smooth it and utilize it for but now I have uploaded a high resolution image, so when I will scroll over it or render over it, so the pixels won't distort. Do the same thing for this, like we have done before in the previous mesh. So the meshes, all meshes are different because of the point clouds, and you can change as you like, as you feel better, and you can take on mesh. It is very good for the exterior scenes. You can perform it on the scenes that are exterior, outside scenes. You can make more configurations to look it better. You can remove the props that are causing problems, or you can edit the depth map in Photoshop for more realism. You can turn on double-sided to avoid any problems in the mesh, and then you can add more props to make it more better, and you can render smaller scenes as you like. So I hope that you like this video, and you can use it for your own 3D animation. Thank you.